said we were going to draw an ice cream cone.
Yeah, we're gonna draw a mint chocolate chip flavor, one of my favorites. We hope you're gonna follow along. You need your drawing supplies, and we're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's start by drawing the top of our ice cream, and we're gonna draw a big upside down U shape or a half circle. So I'm gonna start here, come over, and down. Oh, I'm already hungry for ice cream.
Me too.
Should we get some after the lesson?
Yes.
Okay. And then we're gonna draw at the bottom of the ice cream, we're gonna draw a curve. Here, we could also draw a curve matching on the other side. And then let's connect these two curves together with lots of little and big curves. We can mix it up so they're not the same. There's our scoop of ice cream. You could even add more scoops if you want, but let's just do one. Let's draw the cone next. We're gonna draw two lines coming down on each side. And we're drawing a waffle cone, or a wafer cone, I think is what it's called. And then we're gonna draw a curve, or we could draw a straight line, or slightly curve it so it looks more 3D. I turn my paper sideways, sometimes that helps. Now let's draw the bottom, and we're gonna draw diagonal lines coming in on each side towards each other so it gets closer together. And then at the very bottom, we're gonna draw that same line or curve that matches here. So if you drew a straight line here, you could draw a straight line or slightly curve and then match that same curve. There is a simple way to draw an ice cream cone. First, I'm gonna draw the chocolate syrup that's up here. So we're gonna add even more chocolate to the ice cream. So we got some drippy lines. Oh, let's also add some chocolate dripping down here too, just for fun. I don't know how it got down here, but maybe the person scooping it added even more chocolate.
Yes.
We'd have to give them an extra tip for the more chocolate.
This should all be filled with just chocolate.
Maybe that's why it's spilling over.
Yeah.
The whole thing is inside chocolate. Before we add the chocolate chips, let's add our funny face. I'm gonna draw a cute little smile right in the middle, and I'm gonna make it really big, little open mouth. And you could change your funny face. You don't have to draw it the same as us. We also have a little tongue in there. And then let's draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw a big circle on the left and a matching circle on the right. So we're gonna add this first before the chocolate chips so that we can draw the chocolate chips around it. We can also add a little highlight inside the eyes. And color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now let's add the chips. We're gonna draw little rectangle or square shapes. They could also be triangle shapes. These are natural chocolate chips. We're gonna spread these out everywhere. And you can mix up the size and also the direction that they're tipping and add them everywhere. Oh, and you added eyelashes.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, let's also add some mint leaves. I'm gonna draw a little zigzag line. You could just draw it curved to keep it simple. I'm making it a little more challenging. I'm gonna draw little zigzags on the edge of my mint leaf. And I'm gonna draw another one coming out this way. Well, it's kind of making it more challenging, but there we go. And then one more going out to the right. Oh, I really like your mint leaves. It looks like a bow. That's cute. Except we still need to do what to our drawings?
Color it.
Yes, my favorite part. We are gonna speed things up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our ice cream cones and they turned out awesome.
Yeah, I like how they look all colored in.
Yeah, they look tasty. I hope our friends take time to color their drawings. We used two different greens, one for the mint ice cream and then a lighter green for the leaves. We also used the darker green to add texture.
We also added white to the chocolate to make it shiny.
Yeah, and to do that we used our paint pens so that we could add the white on top of the markers.
Oh, and our art friends could add more things to the background.
Yes, that would complete their drawings.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing an ice cream cone.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.